We know that the cost of living is one of the biggest concerns for people across the country. In government, Fianna Fáil is committed to making the cost of living more sustainable, and we are taking action to make this happen.
We're making huge inroads into the cost of insurance. We're improving infrastructure and transport. We're investing in childcare and expanding parental leave. We're making it much easier for people to work remotely, so that means less commuting and a better work-life balance.
We're also tackling the housing crisis, with every effort being made to increase the level of supply, make housing more affordable again, and by reducing mortgage and rental costs.
We want to continue to deliver more progress for you. To help us do this, we want to hear your views about the cost of living in Ireland, your priorities, and how to get better value for money. Please fill in this short questionnaire by the 27th of August 2021. Your voice is important to us.